ladies and gentlemen, this is a solar spotlight for outdoor specifically, and this is a 2-pack. This is pretty weighty. I'm really excited because I have some outdoor solar lights right now, but they're not very bright, and so they're fine. They're nice, but they aren't quite what I was hoping for and expecting. So I'm excited about these. So this says 2-pack. Okay, yeah, it is a 2-pack. I was looking at all this stuff. It seemed like it could have been more. So this is a 2-pack right here of these outdoor solar lights. These are solar powered, IP67 waterproof, durable design, heat resistant. So it looks like they're claiming a little bit of these being pretty nice. And you can see right here, like that looks legitimate. Like that's pretty dang big, huge solar panel on here. So I'm expecting this to be really a pretty bright light right here. And I'm wondering if these are just if they turn on like when it's dark, period, or if they are motion. It looks like they just turn on when it's dark. So I'm sure there's a huge battery in here. Oh, here we go. Mode. Well, there's a button down here that you click. Looks like we're gonna have to do some reading. I wish we didn't have to. Here we go, reading. So installation, wall mount, operation, here we go. It does have this different stuff to where you could put this onto, you could install this onto a wall if you wanted to. So you put this sucker in here, and then you could loosen this bit, whoa, there we go. And then you could put this on a wall or something like that. So that's really nice that you have that option. And then you have just the ground spike as well. So if you want, you can just put that sucker straight in the ground. And I think you can connect these to where if you wanted to, you could put this in the ground, but then still angle it as well. So a lot of options and stuff there, which is really nice. And it does come with the hardware right here to where if you want to mount it on a wall of your house, of a shed, of a fence, that kind of a thing, you could do all of that. And it's even got the mollies if you're going into brick or cement or something like that. Really nice. Nice to have all of that in there. So operation right here. The default mode of the solar power spotlight is off. When using the spotlight, press the button on the back to adjust the lighting mode you want. Highlight mode, press the button once when the spotlight will change to the highlight mode. In this mode, the spotlight recharge in daytime and automatically turn on bright light at dark night. Low light mode, from the highlight mode, press the button once again and the spotlight will charge under the sunlight. Okay, so it looks like there's 2 modes right here. Before using the product, it is recommended to charge the spotlight for 1 to 2 days under the sun to ensure sufficient energy. So right now, it makes sense. This has been sitting in an Amazon warehouse probably for a while, and so it's not going to really have a lot of charge. So it makes sense that this won't turn on right now. That's okay. I have faith that this actually will work right here. So assuming that this does work, this looks like it's going to be extremely bright. I'll probably just use this on the low light mode, but really easy to do all of that. Just a single button down here. You just, oh, hey, what in the world? Did you see that light turn on? That was cool. So one thing I did just notice as well that I just want you to be aware of, the color of the light is more orange as opposed to blue or whitish. So depending on what you're looking for, that is an option for you. Let's let this thing just sit in the window for just a second. And so you have 2 of these suckers right here. Very easy and obvious to tell. Let's see if this one has any. Double click, triple click. Makes sense. All right, guys, so that is what you get. That's what you have. Overall, I'm really looking forward to this. These are going to be really nice. They feel, honestly, legitimately, like these feel really heavy duty, really nice, like something that's going to last for a really long time. Heavy duty plastic on the outside here of the cover and on the outside of the sides, all of this. Really nice construction of all of this. even the top panel, like I said, really big, and it's got to have a pretty big battery in here for that. So I'm really excited about that, to get this tested out and everything. So hopefully that gives you guys a little bit about this. Let's see if this one's charged at all. I apologize if it hasn't, but okay, it hasn't. Whatever. Maybe it... Oh! It's too bright! No wonder. Okay. Okay, there we go, folks. So where is the sensor? There's... Okay. Awesome. No wonder. It's too bright. It's not picking up the darkness. Okay, so keep in mind this light right here, my video light, is pretty bright. This is really pretty bright, especially in these conditions. I'm surprised at how bright that is. Really, really nice. And then click it again. There's the low setting right there. So both of these really, really impressive. You got the bright, the dark, or the brightest, the high, the low, and then off right there. Really impressed. I'll probably even just be using these at the low setting right there. So it looks like maybe they even come fairly charged, which is really nice. You just got to obviously put them in the dark. That is awesome. So hopefully that gives you guys a little bit better of a taste of these suckers, what they are, what they do, and why they may or may not be right for you.